It is really, really, really bad out here. Wow, it's really windy. The snow is like in my face. Ooh. This is an update. So far we haven't experienced blackout, but the snow is definitely getting worse. And it's really, really, it's really windy out. As you can see, the snow is like hitting my face. I can even see clearly. And this is how bad it is right now. We're supposed to experience blackout later, but so far we still have light, but it's really bad outside. No one should be stranded out here at this time of the day. And I'm trying my best to be pretty close to home so I don't freeze myself, but it's really bad out here. So this is live from Rhode Island, Providence, from the east side.